In the box of the camera, you can find everything you need to connect the camera to a monitor. A cable with a switch to power the workstation. At the other side of the cable, there is a USB plug. In this way, you can connect the cable to the 5-volt power supply or in any other USB socket. An HDMI cable to connect the workstation to the monitor. There are also 2 USB sockets on the workstation. One used to connect the camera, the other can be used to connect the mouse. Connect the camera to its cable. Rotate the 2 parts to fix them. The camera can be used as a mouse. Push the M button and move it to move the cursor on the screen. The button on the left works as the left button of the mouse, and the button on the right works as the right button of the mouse. The camera button is used to take a picture. As soon as it is connected, it is ready to be used. Now, we are going to show you how to use the camera with its workstation. With the camera function, you can take a picture by pushing the camera button. With the video function, you can record a video. To start recording, push the camera button. You can open and edit the acquired pictures. You can draw on the picture with different colors and erase them. Use the clear button to undo all modifications on the picture. Keep pushed the left button on a folder and a menu will open. You can copy or delete the selected folder or all the folders. Thanks for watching! Be simple, be smart.